we are solution providers. We're going to create an organization of really smart people, get really close to our customer, and understand what that problem is. So if you look at sort of the genesis from providing horseshoe nails for the cavalry, that was a problem solving, right? It was literally, hey, we have issues. Horses can only go so far. We need to shoe them. We need a lot of nails. We need an automated machine. Let's go from that. And that connectivity from our history in Connecticut with Colt was able to say this is a problem. Back in the 20s and 30s, you were having a lot of, as parachutes became more and more prevail as a delivery system, the people that were jumping out of them, as soon as they hit the ground in big gusts, they had no way to get rid of the parachute off and so you were having a lot of people getting hurt, what have you. Capewell said, okay, there's a problem. Let's figure out the situation. Let's figure out a solution and come up with a product that meets that or a service that meets that. Same sort of thing. We work with Chuck Yeager. It's bring us a problem. We've got really smart people. We'll dig in, lean forward, and come up with that solution. So I don't necessarily, I'd say it's being so close to a very small number of customers and being that sort of right-hand engineering or solution provider allows us to be in the conversation at first and then have that opportunity to solve the problem.